Aging is a natural process, but there are foods that speed up aging process and you probably eat them every day. Want to look younger and feel energetic for longer? Avoid these 5 common foods immediately. Number 1. Sugary drinks. Soda, energy drinks, and sweetened coffee. Their sugar spikes your blood glucose, damaging your skin and speeding up wrinkles. Number 2. Processed meats. Bacon, sausages, and deli meats contain nitrates. They can harm collagen, making your skin sag faster. Number 3. Fried foods. Fried chicken and chips are loaded with trans fats that inflame your body and age your cells. Number 4. White bread and pastries. Refined carbs spike insulin, which can break down your skin's elasticity, resulting premature wrinkles. Number 5. Excess alcohol. Too much booze dehydrates your skin and messes with your sleep, 2 things that age you quickly. So, want to look and feel younger? Cut these foods down, and your future self will thank you. Please like and subscribe to never miss any upload.